Welcome to our first trading tip of 2021, everyone, and it gives us a golden opportunity to wish you all a fantastic and prosperous 2021. Now, of course, 2020 was a difficult year for everyone in the world, and hopefully with the vaccines being rolled out, we'll get on track and 2021 will be a much better year. Now, from a financial trading point of view and investing point of view, 2020 was actually a very good year and a lot of opportunities did present themselves, and it really highlights the importance of becoming financially independent, which of course trading does allow you to become, and also investing. Now, we started off the new year to 2021 with a bang. We've had two trades and two winners. One was on the DAX. It was a market function trade linked to pension money coming into the market. We then midweek had a trade on the FTSE 100 index, which is a UK index, and that was based on a double extreme gap, another market function trade, nice winner. Both those trades netted us over 2%, which we're pleased with and gets our clients on track quite nicely for the advisor program. If you don't know what the advisor program is, this is a program that duplicates our trades. So we dish our trades out via a trading app, delivered to our clients, and then they can replicate the trade on their own trading accounts. Now, going into next week, what are we expecting from the markets? Well, FTSE had a breakaway trade last week, which means that it's been coiling in a very tight range. It's broken out above the 6,600 range, and we're expecting a final push up to 7,000, maybe 7,100, then expecting a bit of a sell-off. So we're not looking to sell the FTSE until we've seen this move back above 7,000, and we'll continue to buy, which we have been doing for the last week. All right, let's go over to Cameron now and see what's going on with the DAX.
As Mark said, we started this year with a bang, with a fantastic trade on the DAX for the first of the month. I was saying last week, while the market was above 13,500, that we were going to see a move up to the 13,900 levels. Of course, we've seen that. We've gone beyond that up to 14,000 and 14,100. I think what we've got coming in next week, if we can't really push above the 14,100 levels, we'll see some kind of retrace come into the market where we'll be looking to buy dips for the market to move higher again. So watch out for that on the reports. Always watch the levels on the reports to give you the direction of where we're thinking the market's going to go day to day. As Mark said, 2020 was a very difficult year for many, but from a trading perspective, it was a phenomenal year. We'd love to hear how you did in the markets. Maybe you made some money, maybe you perhaps lost some money, or maybe you just spun your wheels. Whatever that was, it doesn't matter. In 2021, we want to make sure that you make profits from trading global markets. Just this last week, we opened up positions in our Pro Trader program, which is there for people who really want to take their trading to the next level. There's a couple of spaces left in the program. This year, we've also added on our own investment trades that we've been taking over the last 10 years. We've never released this to anyone, and we've added this into the Pro Trader program. So let's go over now and hear a little bit more about what Pro Trader is all about.
So with Pro Trader, we have a number of clients that they've been with us in the live trading room, they've traded our trades, they've learned from us, but they want to take their trading to the next level. They want to become a professional trader or really take their trading to a more meaningful level.
There is this real gap in the markets where if you want to become a professional trader, how do you do it?
We designed the Pro Trader program to be able to teach these clients every single day of the week and mentor them to reach their goals to become professional traders.
And Pro Trader is all about that. It's the ability to work with myself and Cameron every day and learn from an expert on how to really do it.
The mentoring they provide is it's real. They've proven what they do works, and they show you that it works.
They're teaching us, but they're doing it themselves, doing it as well, which is just amazing. You know, that's what the difference is. Yeah.
So within ProTrader, our first cornerstone is education. It's really getting the right knowledge. If you don't have the right knowledge, you can't act appropriately. You're not going to be successful.
We will provide all the training videos that you need to learn about actually how the market really operates behind the scenes.
Demystify the market. The market's actually quite a complicated thing to trade, but we demystify it, make it simple and easy to understand. You're starting out looking at their trade plan for the day.
They will come into the live trading room with myself and Cameron, and we will trade live with them.
Looking at the trades they're going to be taking, looking at the markets they're going to be trading, what's going to potentially happen.
We were all working as a team, and it's the ability to work with us every day.
It's a community thing, because through ProTrader you've got the backup of myself and Mark, and also the community with your peers that have similar goals.
This is something I can do in my spare time. It makes perfect sense. Why not?
We have a daily webinar where we bring all of our pro traders in.
Our pro traders can direct any questions to myself and Cameron, and we will get them answered, making sure that you're executing the trades correctly.
That really cements the learning every single day.
The rewarding aspect for ProTrader is the differences that we are now making to people's lives.
With the people that want to be in our ProTrader program, they all want to make some kind of change. Some actually want to make a higher return on their money. They're just not making enough.
We have had clients that couldn't afford some groceries that now have completely changed their lives and now are traveling around the world, have upgraded their houses.
They want to regain their time. Maybe they're working very, very long hours in a job which just isn't as rewarding, and they want to do what's important to them.
The choice to whether I work and how much work I do, and just have time for my family.
This is something that this skill set I can take with me anywhere. All I need is a laptop, and I can generate an income for the rest of my life.
I think almost everyone make money.
I made just over 6,000.
2,200.
About 900 on that one.
Just last month, 3.5% up in the night. Took 2 trades, both came off, and it gives you a real buzz.
If I can do it, you can do it. Come and do it. I'd say, come and give it a go.
Okay, so as Cameron mentioned, we've got a couple of spaces left for this program. So if you're interested, email me on mark@magnetictrading.com. As mentioned as well, it does include the investment opportunities, which is new for ProTrader 2021. Just last week, we closed off another investment trade on the FTSE. We opened that at the end of last year at 5550. And we closed it at 6,700 for an 18% gain. We've also publicly just announced we're in BP. That's up 9% for our pro traders already. These investments don't take any time to manage and can make a real impact in terms of growing your own wealth. So get in touch and let's have a talk about how ProTrader can benefit you in 2021.